Hello, today we will guide you through how to add sales discount in Payhip. First, open your Payhip dashboard in your preferred browser. Once you're in, we'll work from the top navigation so everything is quick to find. Look along the top bar for the Marketing tab. This is where Payhip keeps tools for promotions, emails, and store-wide discounts. Click Marketing to continue. On the Marketing page, choose Add Coupon Code. This opens the coupon setup window where you'll define how your sale works. Start by typing the coupon code customers will enter at checkout. Keep it short and memorable, like Spring 10, and avoid spaces or symbols that could confuse shoppers. Next, set where the discount applies. Find the Apply Coupon to menu and open it. You can apply the discount to the total order amount, which affects the entire cart, or to a specific product if you want the promotion targeted. Total order discounts are great for site-wide sales. Specific product discounts are perfect for highlighting a new release or clearing inventory. Choose the option that matches your goal. Now enter the discount value. In the percentage field, type the amount you want to take off, such as 10, 20, or 30. Pick a realistic number that protects your margins while still feeling generous to customers. If you're testing demand or running a short flash sale, start smaller and adjust later based on performance. For finer control, open Advanced Options. Here you can set important rules like start and end dates for a limited time sale, usage limits so the code can be redeemed only a certain number of times, and per customer limits to prevent abuse. You can also require a minimum order total to encourage larger carts. These settings help you run clean promotions and keep your revenue predictable. When everything looks right, review the details one last time so the code, discount, and scope all match your plan. Then click Create Coupon Now to save it. Payhip will add the new coupon to your marketing list, ready to share, and you can come back later to edit, pause, or delete it if your campaign changes. To finish up, copy the coupon code and include it in your store banner, social posts, or email announcements. Consider noting the expiration date to create urgency, and it's a good idea to test the code in a private checkout before your launch to confirm it applies exactly as intended. That's it. Your sales discount is live and ready to drive conversions. Thanks for watching.